Wi-Fi version, 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM memory. Okay, open box, look completation. In completation we have clear case, okay, tablet, and on this we have adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Now talk about device. Okay, look settings. About tablet, we have version Android 12, RAM memory, CPU MediaTek G80, display HD resolution, front camera 2 megapixels, rear camera 8 megapixels, main camera 8 megapixels. Look into the benchmark results. Perfect results for this device, cheap device. And look, multi-touch test. 10 touches support. Display, okay. Run GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level.
I need your car, homie.
Okay, game works very good. We have battery 4100 mAh. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.